Good morning class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So class 8, your chapter number 4, more on Photoshop CS3. So student, in our last video we completed in your topic to related Photoshop, working with layers, adding a new layer, etc. parts. So now today we are going to start a new topics. So you are viewing and hiding layers 2, viewing and hiding layers to patch tool. So let's start this topic class 8. So class 8, viewing and hiding layers topic. Viewing and hiding layers is important. So for example, if you want to work on the contents of a particular layers and do not want to get confused by images on the other layers, so we can hide the others layers and make only that layer visible in which we are working. So after completing the task, the hidden layers can be made visible. So let us how to hide and show a layer. So its purpose of viewing and hiding layers means how to view the layer and how to hiding layer. So let's see the steps are. So first the student click on the eye icon in front of the layer that you want to hide. So this area. Now the eye icon will disappear, indicating that layer is no longer visible. So it has become hidden. Okay, so it's second part you can see this first layer. It's to layer number 2 is visibility. So visible. Now second compare, you can see a layer 2 gets hidden. So this part is already hidden. So second step is about to compare for the first part. Now student, locking of layers means we can lock layers to protect their contents. So the 4 different lock icons given at the top portion of the layer plate allow us to lock layer in 4 different ways. So follow the steps to lock, how to lock of layers. So select the layer that you want to lock from the layers plate. Then click the lock transparent pixel icon to lock the transparent pixel in the layer. Then to unlock the layer, click at it again. After click the lock image pixel icon to lock the pixel that form the image. To unlock the layer, click at it again, same. So click the lock portion icon to lock portion of the layer in the image. To unlock the layer, click at it again. Then click the lock all icon to lock all the contents of the layer. So to unlock the layer, click at it again. So you can see in this picture locking option. So here is a locking option to lock the image. So lock image pixel is here. You can see in this image lock portion, lock all, lock transparent pixels. Clear? Now student, you can see a changing the order of layer. Changing the order means to change the order of the layers. To change the order of a layer, steps are as follows. First student, click on the layer whose order you want to change in the layers plate. Then drag that layer to the required portion above or below the existing layers part. After third step, then release the mouse button and click outside the name box. So this is a changing the order of a layer. So dragging it to change the order of the layers here. So you can change the layer, interchange the order of the layer easily. Okay class, now deleting layers. How to delete a layers? So we can delete any layers from the layers plate by the following steps. First step, select the layer by clicking on it. After click on the delete layer icon on the layer plate. Then click the layer yes button in the confirmation box that appear. The selected layer will get deleted. So you can see this part is deleted layer icon, and you can drag a layer and drop it into the trash box. So delete layer icon to delete it without seeing the confirmation box. Okay, so this is the method of deleting layers. After you can see creating a new layers from a selection. So how to creating a new layers from a selection? So we can make a selection and create new layers out of the selection using the layer menu commands. Layer by copy, layer by cut. So let's see how to creating a new layer from a selection. First of all, students, select the area from which you want to create the layer. After open the layer menu, point to new and select layers, copy to copy the selection to a new layer. Then you can see the new layer being edited in the image as well as in the plate. Select the move tool and use it portion the new layer as required. After save the image file, open the some other images file and repeat the above procedure to create a twin or copy of an object in it. So first the layer copy option in layer menu, then new layer created by copying in the background layer. Then student dragging layers between files. So dragging layers means we can also drag a layer from one file to another. So steps are open both image file source and destination part, then adjust the window size so that you can conveniently see both file windows on the screen. Make the show file active by clicking on it and open its layer palette and select the required layers. After drag the selected layers from the source file into the destination file. Then edit free transform use option to see free transform border around the image. After drag the transformation handles to increase or decrease the size of the image. When image becomes a desired size, click button display option bar. So save the image as a .psd file. So this is a drag the layer into another image and image after dragging. Now class 8 dragging tools in Photoshop. So Photoshop provides a collection of drawing tools to allow us to draw elementary shapes such as rectangles, rounded rectangles, lines, polygons, circle, ellipse, so many tools. So you can use this tool. First of all, open a new file and white background using file new option. Then right click on the rectangle tool and select the required shape tool from the layout menu. After you can see, make sure that the shape layers icon selected on the option bar. You will see a number of options on it draw shapes. So follow all this tab and read properly to our drawing tools in Photoshop. Retouching tools in Photoshop. Students, the retouching tools available in Photoshop are used for modifying the arrangement of pixels in an image to remove imperfection from the image and gives it a better finish. So some of the retouching tools available in Photoshop are the healing brush tool, patch tool, clone stamp tool, eraser tool, blur tool, smudge tool and dog, burn spawns tool and so on. So student, first is the healing brush tool. So in a healing brush tool, we can use the healing brush tool to repair the defected or flawed area in an image with the sampled pixels. So the tool has been designed to match the texture, lighting, transparency and shading of the sampled pictures to give us the best results in repairing the flawed area. Okay. So read all this tab, student, and see to comparison of a wrinkled face. First is after you can say wrinkle reduce using the healing brush tool. Okay. So healing brush tool used to defected or flawed area to remove this image. Okay. Then other tool is spot healing brush tool in a Photoshop. So spot healing tools is used to quickly repair imperfections such as blemishes, dark spots, scratches and so on the image and photographs. So here you need not specify sample spot like you do with the healing brush tool. So the tool automatically sample from around the area being repaired. Okay, students, so see a image and spot. After you can see spots repaired using the spot healing tool. Okay, so this is a picture using to picture clarity to spot healing brush tool. Last tool is your patch tool. So we discussed today only patch tool. So patch tool allows you to repair a selected area with a pixel from the another area or a pattern. So like the healing brush tool, the patch tool also matches the texture, lighting and shading of the sample pictures to the source pixel. Okay, so you can see this flawed area and after repair source area, then flawed area replaced with the repair source area. Clear? So all are tools used in a Photoshop. So student, just go through and read all this topic. So class 8, just go through all this tool box and read this topic in your Photoshop to using image, how to use all this tool in the Photoshop. So read it properly all this topic in your book. Okay, so today's homework is read all this topic and revise the topic in the Photoshop.